So now we will have to enter all of the date groups into the system. You can see here on the left, we will have to enter data for public holidays, school holidays, and the starting dates for the courses that you have just created. So let's go ahead. We want to start with the public holidays, and it is very easy to just select them with the date picker on here. You just select everything that you like and click on Next. No, we would not like to do any more public holidays, but yes, we would like to create the school holidays. Let's say this is the school holidays here. More holidays. No, we would like to create the start dates. In here it's important, please start with every Monday for all of the courses that start every Monday in your system. You will have a list of all the courses, remember, on here. I have only created the standard English course so far. Start for the beginners will not be every Monday, but for everybody else. And we will click on here. So now the system has created, you can see all of the Mondays as a starting date. And yes, we would like to do more starting dates. Let's say, for example, English for teachers. And then we can decide, in here you would have to select the English for teachers one, which I don't have in here, but you will. And let's say this does not start every Monday, and we will choose the date it will start on here for 1 and 2 weeks, and it will start, let's say, on here for 1, 2, maybe 3 weeks. Again, once this is done, you click on Next and you enter all of the start dates you will see in here as an overview, and in the end you click on No. You will have all of the data in here.